My name is Peter Hodson. I suffered a spinal stroke in 2018. I had a heavy flu and couldn't get any food or liquid down. It all came out. And as a result, I had septicemia and was rushed into hospital. I was in an induced coma for 10 days. And basically it was during that time I realized I couldn't move my legs. During the rehab, it was just after being discharged. Basically I'm an architect and I was doing some work for another fellow patient. The drawings I had to do had to take in all the different pieces of equipment, and while I was doing that I came across the BerkelBike, and then my wife looked at it and she said, "Peter, I think you need that." That the fact that electric stimulation could activate my muscles, and so it would avoid muscle wastage. It has many benefits. Moving of the legs helps your bowels, bladder, everything really, cardiovascular, and there were so many benefits that we thought we had to go for it. So I decided, I had to make a decision between the two options of a BerkelBike Pro and the BerkelBike Connect. It took me a while because there were certain advantages I could see of the Pro, that it was all in one piece, and the reason I decided to have a wheelchair Connect, or the Connect version, was because I didn't have to transfer. That was one consideration, and also storage of the front part. The BerkelBike was much easier than storing the Pro. So for me that was important, and I'm glad I made that decision. So I cycle outside around our block locally. We're in quite a nice village, and so it's always a joy to go out with my wife on the bike. In case I need, if anything happens or goes wrong, she's there to hand. But I do enjoy that. Get to know the neighbours, because often the BerkelBike is a talking point. They look at it and ask questions about it. So, and I'm quite happy to tell them all the benefits. The pedal assist I've found really beneficial, which takes the weight off the strain on my arms, because going around a block, say it's a 2.3 mile circuit around the block, and if I do it just with my arms, it can be quite a strain when you go up the slopes. It's the long gentle slopes that put the strain on. And so I chatted with Paul of Active Links again, and I decided to go for the pedal assist, and that has been a great benefit to just take the strain off the arms. And if I'm not using FES for whatever reason, because maybe it takes a while to wire up, then you're more reliant on the strength of your arms, and the pedal assist really comes in handy for that. I also have an indoor trainer that came with the BerkelBike, and the benefit of that is that I can use it if it's raining outside and I don't want to get wet, I don't want to get my BerkelBike wet, then I can actually use it indoors, and all the benefits except for the fresh air outside come with it. So you can use it with FES indoors as well as outdoors. I had it in 2020, July 2020, and I've been using it ever since. Very happy with it, and I would strongly recommend anyone in my position to seriously consider buying one.